Lane 2, which is Edinburgh B, Lane 4, which is Cardiff, and Hull in Lane 5 appear to be leading at the moment. But Lane 1 is coming along strongly. It's all to play for at the moment, as both first and second place are being duly contested. And Lane 1, Worcester A, is coming up fast to try and get... Edinburgh and Cardiff are both looking sure to go through to the semi-finals, but third place is everything to play for. Hull and Worcester are both trying their hardest to get that third place spot, but it's looking like Hull in Lane 5 is going to just about get it, unless Worcester can pull in that last little bit of effort. Ooh. And from that, Hull looks to be going through along with Edinburgh and Cardiff.
That's it, ladies! Come on!
On the far side, Chappell coming in just in front of Birmingham.